Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have unexpected Happy Mail. I love Happy Mail. Everybody loves Happy Mail. I want to be so careful. This is from Jean Stanton. I met Jean last year Jean and her husband at the BlytheCon 2022. I'm trying to be very, very careful here and not cut anything, but it's taped up right and tight, and carefully, carefully, carefully. Oh, I think I cut a note. Maybe be more careful. Yeah, we all know I'm not real careful. Okay, there we go. I got it right. Okay, let's see what's inside. Jean is on Instagram. She does not have an active YouTube channel yet. And really a nice gal. Oh my God, wait till you see, wait till you see. A note to thank you, thank me. Oh my. Marna, thanks a bunch for the hankies. I found a few things at a flea market this week. The troll book was reduced in size and I then reprinted it. Thought you might want to use them in your troll video. Oh, the troll jamboree. The reindeer was just too cute to dress up. I would love to join in your troll group. Still looking for my old ones. I don't have any really big ones. So can I buy one of Darren's? I will tape this one better. Hope your week is full of fun and dolls. Ha ha ha, a reindeer troll. Love these. Let's get it out. Can't wait to see the book. Oh, ho, ho. How cute are these? Thank you, Jean. Let's see if I can slide him out. Yes, I can. Oh, these are so cute. Troll dolls are just, I thought it was a pin. Troll dolls are just so fun and simple, and oh my goodness, they're just adorable. Let's see. How cute is this? And she reduced it. Oh, that is cute. You did this, Jean? Wow. Wow, how cute is this? Color the picture, connect the dots. I love find 3 things wrong in the picture. I love those kind of things. Color the picture, find 2 balloons that are the same. Help the pirate troll find the treasure. Draw lines between pictures that go together. Help the shelf find the banana, rolling pin, and spoon. Copy the pictures in the squares and color the picture. Oh my God, this is fantastic. This is fantastic. Thank you so much. It's a hug in an envelope. It really is a hug in an envelope. I appreciate this so much. It was by coincidence that I had Jamber here. I had Jamber here to remind everybody, you know, put it in their minds about the upcoming Troll Jamboree. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.